Each of the girls has their own idea of what to do. Man, he's sniffing something out over there. Right on the creek, actually. On the other side, but actually on the over the water. So much snow, it's holding her up. Cassie, she's looking or whatever, I'm not sure. She's thinking about something, and of course she'll stand by. She's right here. That Cassie with 3 legs, you should say, go through the deep snow. Nothing slows her down. Again, something over there. Well, I'll let you go. Just another beautiful day. I just want to show you where I'm standing. Look at the beautiful trees in the distance. Almost no water is showing anymore. Creek is just about frozen over. Then, of course, snow covered. We'll be going into the woods in a second and then back towards the house. Have a good day now. Goodbye.